I challenge you to compete in this simulated investing tournament to win some serious money. I hope you'll join us. I'll be coaching you every step of the way.
So I wrote a note yesterday. My earnings season officially begins next week. The 3 companies on tap is Tencent Music, and also Huya. Generally, I wrote my thoughts there. I think all 3 companies have issues. All 3 stocks are at near their lows for the year. So expectations, are so low, it's through the ground. So we'll see how they report. The other thing I wanted to mention is the Chinese premier mentioned some language of fine-tuning of policies. People are trying to decipher what that means. But obviously, China's slowing down right now. There's a ton of issues, macro-related, external-related. He, however, did mention that he wants to cut taxes and fees for the small and medium-sized businesses in China. One thing that's been consistent through the language from the Chinese government is support for the small and medium-sized businesses. So that continues to be the case. I wanted to mention that because he did make some commentary on where China's headed, and there has been headwinds, obviously, that they're experiencing now. So they're going to have to figure out some ways to support the economy, but there hasn't been much details. So stay tuned on that angle.
That found its way into my tweet stream this morning. It was big macro news. Again, if you're the premier in China and you say something like that, you could lose a couple fingers or a hand if it wasn't signed off on. So, the messaging of the Chinese and of the party, of the Communist Party, on Quad 3 stagflation, even though they'd never called that, is becoming more readily apparent. So even when they're admitting it, it obviously is reminding you. And again, it's November. We've been short China since the beginning of the year. I'd like to Felix's point on the stocks. I mean, a lot of these things are at or near their lows, so you just have to now risk manage the potential upside of Chinese stimulus. I mean, it's not like we haven't taught them how to do this, so we'll see how that goes, and pay attention to that, because they've been actually defending on the Shanghai Comp, Felix. They've been defending the year-to-date lows every single time they come up with stuff, including buying the stocks themselves. So we're telling people to. So we're getting close to there again. So it's an interesting time to call that out, and a particularly important call out in macro today. Hey there, Hedgeye Nation, or if you're not part of Hedgeye Nation, thanks for watching Hedgeye on YouTube. If you haven't already, make sure to click on the button below there. Subscribe to our YouTube page. You can also follow the link in the description to our website to get even more great investing content.